Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today I'm going to be teaching Heather how to make a dessert. One of my subscribers at the gathering brought me a Jello for making candy corn. So we're going to try to make candy corn Jello today. So I'm going to walk Heather through making candy corn Jello. Okay, we have caramel Jello and vanilla bean Jello, the two main ingredients of making candy corn Jello. Okay guys, we're going to use 4 cups of just regular almond milk. Okay, Heather's going to be pouring our 2 cups of almond milk. To that, she's adding the vanilla Jello. Now she's adding the caramel Jello. She's going to add 2 more cups of milk. Alright, she's going to start the mixer and slowly add the rest of the milk. Okay, we're going to put these 2 in the fridge and try them in about 30 minutes. Okay, Heather's going to just dump the rest in a big bowl for later. And that is going into the fridge. Tasting this. I guess it could have a candy corn taste, but I'm not 100% sure. What do you think? Maybe caramel? I'm thinking caramel vanilla. It's good, but I'm not sure that it's candy corn, but So candy corn pudding, or Jello, that's what it's called. So our pudding that we made that's supposed to be candy corn pudding, you can see it's not really pudding. So we've decided we're going to use it to make a pancake in our air fryer. We take 1 egg and beat it up. Okay, to that 1 egg, we're adding 1 cup of our candy corn pudding that did not gel like it's supposed to. To that, we are adding sugar. And to that, we're adding our flour. And it's supposed to be 1/4 cup of flour. Now we're going to put it in our pan. So we have the Nestle's butterscotch morsels. We're just going to drop them on top, and we're going to bake this at 270 for 15 minutes in the air fryer, and it comes out like a awesome cookie type pancake slash cake, whatever you want to call it. And instead of milk, we used our candy corn pudding mix that didn't gel. And we're going to sit it in here. We've got our little tray that brings it up, keeps it off the bottom, in there like that. Okay, this is what our candy corn pancake with butterscotch chips looks like. We're going to dump it out. All of the chips went to the bottom, but the top looks great. See, it kind of melted the chips across there. I'm going to try our pancake. What do you think?
It's delicious. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like a funnel cake.
Really? So we have a funnel cake pancake now. We're changing the name. It's supposed to be candy corn.
It's like a butterscotchy funnel cake.
Give it a thumbs up? Yes. All right, guys. Thank you from Crazy Days.